Hi, and thank you for joining us. Today's tech tip is wire mapping with LanTEK IV-S. I have on screen the advanced mode setup, and I'm going to show you how to add a live wire map by touching these three dots. I can select from the options, live wire map. Let's run a test, and I'll use VisiLink. Our test is completed in 7 seconds and it's got everything you need. I'm just going to press on that menu to have a closer look and drill into Wiremap. So in a Wiremap, we measure all the pairs as well as the shield if you're testing a shielded link. If we have a closer look and if we're interested, we can see each pair can be at a different length subject to the cable construction. In this case, the wire map on length on the brown pair is at 16, yet the length shown on the blue pair is 16.9. And I'll just hold up the pair to show you on screen is that the brown pair is actually twisted a little bit less, and the blue pair is twisted more. So cable constructions will vary. It will be picked up by the LanTEK, and that is our tech tip for today. Thank you again for joining us, and looking forward to seeing you again.
Wish yours did that? Time to go blue.